Hello, this is Kathleen the Mayor. If you're looking for a way to add customers quickly to your business, what you can do is do a fundraiser for yourself. And what I mean by that is you go to yourfundraiser.weebly.com. I created this for Avon Team Thrive. And you can print out some of the flyers. You can even have them printed for you. There's a way you can buy them through Town & Country. They're not that expensive, but they are high quality images and flyers that you can use. And you can meet up with your friends, family, and ask them, say, I'm just starting my Avon business, or I'm trying to get to the next level of my Avon business. Would you help me collect orders? Basically, what you would do is you would purchase the items through the fundraiser, and you would set it up as yourself for the fundraiser. And you have to pay the tax on the full amount. So my tax here is easy to remember. It's 10%. So for the 3 for $18, it would be $1.80 would be the tax that I would have to pay. So the cost of that would be $9 plus it would be $1.80. And that's what the customer would have to pay. Now I would get the award sales on the full value, which would be the $18. But I would also get a new customer that would save some money because they're going to get it for half price. It's great for you as well if you're trying to do an event and you want to make baskets. You can buy these products and make baskets and save yourself a lot of money because you're getting them at half off. So it's just something to think about for yourself. You can also purchase the mascaras and do a full catalog. So like if you have this catalog, what you can do is you can say, if you purchase $40 in the catalog, I will give you a free mascara of your choice. The choice in the color is either black, brown black, or navy. And then when they place that order with you, you ask what color they want, and then you put that order together. So what I'll do too is when my customers are placing the regular order with me, if they happen to order the lipsticks, I will just order them from the fundraiser. And again, there's no minimum for your fundraiser. So if you just do 3 for $18 and you get them for $9, that's really all you're getting. You don't have to worry. You're going to earn that 50%. But the reason I like this is because if you know somebody that has a job and they have a break room, you can have them put it in the break room. You can have them mark it off. Like instead of maybe 3 for $18, you can just put a red pen through it and say, instead of 3 for $9, you can say 3 for $12. You can come up with whatever sale you want, but reward the person that's helping you because guess what? Maybe they'll sign up and be on your team. Or maybe they'll be your new best customer because they'll try something and they'll love it. So I just wanted to get back to you about just different ways that you can make money with your Avon business, just thinking out of the box. If somebody in your area is already selling Avon and they're pretty successful and you think you don't even have a chance, you do. With the flyers, you can do something like this. You can put your own little bundle together. You can try to do whatever you can to help boost your sales and get more customers. A lot of times online, I'll see people doing parties on Facebook, and they'll buy one, get one free parties. They probably use these products, or what they probably do is they are in President's Club, and you can earn 50% if your order is over $1,500 every, for that campaign for 2 weeks. So they do parties like that, but they don't earn any money. And I don't believe in doing that too much, but if it's going to help grow your business and get you a new customer, then do it maybe once a year or twice a year. So a lot of my customers order from me because they like the idea that I will use tissue paper and I wrap up their items and I try to put it in the bag so it looks pretty. And they think of it as a gift because sometimes they place an order and they forget what they ordered and then they say, oh, it feels like Christmas every 2 weeks. So that's why they make sure they order, because they feel like a little happiness. So every payday, they put a little money away so that they can afford it. And you can do something like that for them too. You could say, I have a mystery bundle. It's only going to cost you $10. And I put the products together and it's guaranteed to be worth more than $10. And then you can just put a discount on the product. And then if they like it, they like it. If they don't, they can exchange it for something else. But I try to get them to try new products that they normally wouldn't use. So if somebody is a skincare freak and they have all skincare, you might want to get them on something cosmetic like the lipstick or the lip balm, or move up from a product that they haven't tried yet that maybe goes along with the skincare. I wanted to also show you that in these What's New books, there are items that are unlimited. So when you are not in President's Club yet, so if you're new, You might not even know this, but you're only allowed to order one item. And it's not one item per type of item. It's one item per category, I guess is the way I would say it. So let me show you what I'm talking about. So for example, if you love this whole system and you want to order it, you put them all in the cart. Avon's going to send you just one of these. They're going to pick the one they want. So make sure you pick the one you really want and order it. The next campaign, because usually good for 2 campaigns, then you can order the other one. And if you have someone on your team and they're not going to order it, maybe you can purchase it from them. Now in here is, if there's usually an item that says unlimited demo. So it means that you can buy these at a great price on unlimited quantities. So what you can do is make a special flyer, staple it to the outside of your catalogs, or put it in the catalog, or even just advertise it on Facebook, and then you can sell them that way and make a little more money for yourself. But they have to get that order into you right away so you can place it out of the correct What's New book. So if you have any questions, if there's anything you want me to work on for you, let me know. Lisa Woolley asked me to come up with something for having an online Facebook party. So I'm going to work on that this week and get back to you all with that. So hopefully you guys will want to do a Facebook party, or at least try to advertise that that's an option for your business and make money and get new customers that way, or even a book party. So if someone orders with a book party, what you can do is hand them a few catalogs, and have them collect orders for you. If their order is $150 or more, then just sign them up for Avon. Because when they place that first or second order, and you're in your first 7 campaigns, you get $50 bonus, and then get that person on your team. And they can purchase the starter kit for $25, and it's some items that they probably would use anyway. And then they have their own Avon business and get a permanent discount, and then you have them on your team, and you also got that $50 bonus. So it's a really great way to make money, and I do highly recommend doing it that way. And if you need me to make a video or an opportunity video specifically for you, or if you want help making a separate capture page or an information page about Avon, I can show you how to do that, or I can do it for you. I don't mind helping you. Best thing to do is make a blog for yourself, so I can make you a page for, if you go to Weebly, we can make a page for capture pages. We can make another page to advertise your business, and to also do a blog on there, and I'll show you how to do that. I'm actually setting some up for Crystal, and I will share what my page is if you'd like to see.